Guys, welcome back to my channel again. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please do so. Hit the subscribe button and join the family. And today we're doing a very special recipe. We're moving right to Nigeria. Yes. I want to try the Nigerian popular meal that everyone is talking about and every Nigerian loves to eat, and that is beans. And this particular white beans, if you remember last week or 2 weeks ago, I posted a video that I made a particular recipe called cocky beans, which is traditionally eaten in Cameroon as a traditional meal. But I actually made the pudding of this particular beans. You can see this particular bean. But guess what? Nigerians eat it in a different way, and today I'm diving deep into their particular recipe and how they have been preparing this particular recipe. And join me in this adventure. I hope I get it right. Please, Nigerians, don't come for me. This is my first time trying this particular recipe, so don't come for me, right? If I do anything extraordinary or out of the normal, out of the norms, the Nigerian norms, so forgive me. It is not by my making. I'm just doing what I feel like I should put. The ingredients I'll be putting is just what I feel like I would like to put and add it and make it a little bit spicy for my own liking. Please don't come for me. Like, in Nigeria, we don't cook beans like this. This is so bad. This is please. I'm doing my own recipe, but I just want to belong. As an African, I will try any other African meal. So if you have your traditional meal and you want me to try it, and which is likable to my lifestyle, you know what I mean. I don't do any kind of meals in this channel. If you see me doing any kind of meals, it's because maybe I have visitors or something. I have to invite people. I've invited people and I have to share some meals with them. So I'm basically on my healthy lifestyle journey. Okay, so anything about high carbohydrates is not my thing. I eat carbohydrate, but in low quantity. So I will not really strictly focus on so much high carbohydrates. Meaning that if you are suggesting recipes like cassava, whatsoever, it will not be my thing. So suggest any recipes you want me to do as a traditional meal, your homeland meal, and I will do it. Why not? So today we're diving deep into this most popular Nigerian meal. So let me not make this video too long. Please hit the subscribe button and comment down below if you have tried this particular recipe. How did I do? Okay.
Feel so true, feel so new. Love with you. Every moment just me and
you. So at this point, I'm just selecting the beans to take out the bad ones, if there are any traces of sand. And it was very good, but with little sand on the plate, so you can see the sand dust and everything whatnot. And I even got some weevils as well on the plate, so you can see that on the camera. So with that done, I have to wash it thoroughly. I did it so many times out camera. And then now is the time to put in the pot and cook till it is soft. So why it is on the fire cooking, I go into prep my protein and plantain I will be pairing this recipe with. So I season my chicken with some chili flakes, some green paprika, some black pepper, some chicken seasoning, some salt, some chicken bouillon, and a little bit of olive oil and some white pepper and some chicken seasoning. I think I can't remember all the seasoning, and some citron pepper as well I added to it. So these are the ingredients I actually used. Mix that thoroughly and then set that aside to simmer. For the ingredients to get into the chicken while I am preparing my plantain as well. So in the kitchen, I don't like to waste time in my kitchen, so I do this multiple task, and it works so well for me. I mean, cooking is something I love to do, so I don't feel like there's a lot of process involved in it when it comes to my health and what I want to eat. So I'll be adding carrots as the vegetable because I am trying to make this recipe very healthy. So I am adding some vegetables and I chose carrot. You can add broccoli, you can add whatever if you want to make it more healthier. But traditionally, according to Nigerians, videos I have watched, they do cook this with just oil and maybe a little bit of tomatoes, and that's it. So, and then they pair it with maybe fried chicken and fried plantain. So, but I'm doing the healthier version of this recipe. That's why I'm pairing it with vegetables. So I had some cherry tomatoes that had been frozen, and then I added some 2 fresh tomatoes, and then this 1 fresh paprika. I added it all together, put a little bit of water and blend it till it is smooth, and then set that aside as well and continue with the rest of the ingredients and wait until the beans is ready. When the beans is ready, then I'll continue with the recipe properly.
Every day is shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far.
So at this point we are done blending the tomatoes and set that aside. Clean as you go, guys. Clean as you go is very important. I'll be using some palm oil according to the recipe of this particular Nigerian dish. They cook it with palm oil, but I would have used any other oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use sunflower oil, you can use whatever oil that you have. So I'm trying to show you the ingredients. I had already chopped some onion, some fresh basil and some leeks, and then here I have some green spices mix, some ginger, some garlic in that other mixture. So I'll start by frying my onion, and so as to build up the aroma and to give that flavor that I want for this particular recipe. Red oil and red onion frying is very, very flavorful. So if you want it really flavorful, you start by frying the onion, and I fry that for almost like 1 minute, and then went in with the tomato mix, and then cook that until it is dry, completely dry, and most of the water has evaporated as so. Then I went in with the green mix, which contains the green spices, some ginger and some blended garlic as well. Mix that thoroughly. You can see the tomato paste is really thick at this point. Then I went in with some chicken bouillon, and then of course some stark chili, and then went in with my carrots. Then started seasoning it with my ingredients of choice. I used some salt, some black pepper, some green paprika, some white pepper, and some citron pepper as well. Then mix that thoroughly and get so that the ingredients should get into the sauce. The recipe is very simple and easy to follow as you're seeing on your screen. Then go in with your cooked beans and then voila, mix that, cook it for like 3 to 4 minutes and it is done. Because the tomatoes has already been cooked, so this has been cooking for like 3 to 4 minutes. Then I went in with my green spices, and you can see at the side you have another pot. I had already cooked some plantain, and then I cooked the plantain half already. Then take some of the plantain and set it in my air fryer just for that crunchiness, because I wanted some kind of crunchiness in the recipe. I didn't want to fry plantain like the Nigerians do, because I'm doing the healthier version of this meal. So I decided to air fry my cooked plantain, unripe plantain for that matter, because unripe plantains have been shown to regulate blood sugar level. If you're on a weight loss journey and you have read a lot about weight loss, eating foods that do not spike your blood glucose level is very important. And now look at that yummicious meal, looking so delicious. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipe. How did I do with Nigerians? If you're a Nigerian, please comment down below. How did I do for this particular recipe? Is it up to the standards?